To enter the nominal and tax codes used in your accounts into your TechMan system, you can edit existing and set up new codes in the Accounts tab. Let's hover over the Accounts tab and start with Nominal Codes. Here you can see the existing nominal codes. You can edit them on the right-hand side or click the plus button to create a new one. We'll start with editing the existing sales nominal code. Here I'll edit the nominal code to match my accounts. I'll keep the description the same in this instance as it is the default sales nominal code that we're editing. Furthermore, this means we can keep sales default ticked. Let's hit save to confirm our changes. Next, let's edit our default purchase nominal code. I'll enter the nominal code that matches my accounts, and once again I'll keep the description the same to exactly match the name in my accounts. This will be our purchase default nominal code, so let's ensure that purchase default is ticked and hit save. Next, let's create a new nominal code by hitting the plus button on the top left-hand side. So let's enter 4001 as the nominal code, with the description as tyre, as this will be our tyre nominal code. Now let's take a look at tax codes. Hover over the Accounts tab and select Tax Codes. Let's edit our sales tax code to match accounts. Enter the tax code and description. Ensure this is ticked as the sales default. Lastly, I'll ensure the tax percent matches the standard VAT rate I require and hit save. Now that we've adjusted our nominal and tax codes, let's make sure they are allocated to the appropriate labour and products in TechMan. First, let's hover over the Jobs tab and select Labour Types. In this screen, let's ensure the relevant sales nominal codes and sales tax codes are allocated to their corresponding labour type. These can be adjusted by clicking Edit on the right-hand side. So let's have a look here at our tyre fit labour type. Simply hit Edit on the right-hand side of this labour type and click on the drop-down here under Sales Nominal Code. We can now see the new 4001 code, so let's choose that and hit Save. Alternatively, by hovering over the Jobs tab again and this time selecting Labour Units, you'll be able to adjust the sales nominal code and sales tax code of specific labour units as opposed to the broader labour type. Again, these can be altered by clicking on the Edit button on the right-hand side and selecting from the relevant drop-down menus. So let's have a look at the tyre fit labour code by clicking Edit on the right here. And as you can see on the left, we can choose the 4001 nominal code we created via the drop-down, then simply click Save. Next, let's take a look at allocating the correct nominal codes and tax codes against products. In TechMan, the defaults we set previously will be used. However, you can tailor these in more detail by assigning them to categories and subcategories the products correspond to. Hover over the Products tab and select Categories and Subcategories. Let's edit our tyres category. In here, you can set the sales nominal code, sales tax code, purchase nominal code, and purchase tax code based on the overall category. Let's save our changes. Furthermore, you can assign your nominal and tax codes at the subcategory level too. Simply edit the subcategory on the right-hand side, assign the appropriate codes, and update your subcategory. If you've already created bookings or invoiced jobs in your TechMan system, don't worry, we've got you covered. Contact our team and we'll be able to apply your newly adjusted nominal and tax codes to existing bookings or already invoiced jobs. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.